Begin by choosing a project, like a 2D floor plan. Return to the main file and adjust the 2D floor plan. Use the crop tool to enlarge the background. Create a new layer and give it a name, dark wall. Then, use the magic wand tool to select all the wall cut sections of the plan. Once the wall cut portions are selected, make sure you're on the correct layer, dark wall. Set the foreground color to black, then press Alt plus backspace to fill the selected area with the foreground color. I noticed that the furniture portion is too light, so double-click on layer 1, select Stroke, and adjust the settings as shown on the screen. Copy the main floor plan. Select the paint brush tool, set the brush size to 1, and make a thin line at each room borders for texture placement. Remember to name each layer you create. Choose a bathroom texture, resize it if needed, and copy the texture. Select the Move tool, press Alt until a white arrow appears next to the black arrow, then click on the texture and move the cursor. Select all the texture layers and merge them together. Name the layer something like bathroom tile. If there's another washroom in the plan, duplicate the layer to use for the second WC. Turn off the layer visibility. Select the area where you want to apply your texture. Turn on the layer visibility, then click on Add Layer Mask. Switch to the boundary layer and repeat the same steps. Double-click on the layer, select Inner Shadow. Adjust the settings as shown on the screen. Click OK. Right-click on the layer and select Copy Layer Style. Then, right-click on the other bathroom layer and choose Paste Layer Style. Choose a different texture for the other room, resize it as needed. Then copy and merge those layers. Switch to the Boundary of Door layer. Use the Magic Wand tool to select the area where you want to apply the texture. Double-click on the layer. Apply an inner shadow or any other adjustment that suits your project. Follow the settings shown on the screen. Apply the marble flooring tile for the living room and follow the same process. Be sure to name each layer appropriately. I wanted to adjust the texture color to be slightly reddish. Go to Image, Adjustments, Color Balance. Adjust the settings, and when you're satisfied, click OK. If there are too many layers, group them together and assign a descriptive name to the group. After applying the fabric, select the area where you want to add the shadow. Create a new layer for the shadow. Then, choose the soft paint brush tool and reduce the opacity and fill of the brush. For the other sofa set, simply copy the fabric. Select the layer mask, right-click on it, and choose Delete Layer Mask to reveal the full fabric. For the car and bike, double-click on the layer and apply a drop shadow. Adjust the angle and opacity according to the settings shown on the screen. Now, add some vegetation to the floor plan. You can also change the dark green color of the vegetation to a lighter green. Apply color burn to the treetop view layer, then copy and paste it to the desired locations. Apply a blue color to the window portion. Import the site file for the surrounding area. Adjust the file as needed. Use the crop tool to adjust the file. Use the magic wand tool to select the road portion. Fill the selected area with a color that suits the road. Use the magic wand tool again to select the green portions. Fill the selected area with a green shade that matches the surrounding. For the surrounding vegetation, add a soil texture. Since the soil layer is below the grass layer, it is hidden. Add the treetop view layer above the soil layer. Arrange the trees in a sequence of your preference. Select all the treetop view layers and group them together. Name the group appropriately. Extend the pavement in both the parking area and the main entry gate section. Use the polygonal lasso tool to cut out the excess portion. Add a boundary wall to the site.